Put oil in a hot pan. Sauté onions until translucent. Add garlic if desired, optional. Add mushrooms. Sauté until it softens a little. Add bell peppers and season with salt and pepper. Then add a pound of cooked sausage, any kind you like. Cook for a few minutes and put in a bowl when it's done. Set aside. In a separate bowl, pour 1 1/3 cups of milk. 2 cups of egg beaters or 8 large eggs. 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Season with salt, black pepper, and Italian seasonings. Mix. Optional. Add bacon in the sausage mixture bowl, followed by 20 ounces of thawed shredded hash browns. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Mix in 1 cup of shredded cheese and transfer in an oiled 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pour the egg mixture. Add 1/2 cup of cheese. I used a total of 2 cups shredded cheese. Add more bacon pieces on top and green onions if desired. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 to 65 minutes or until cooked through. Let it cool down and serve. Enjoy.